Hello everyone. I, Shubham Medkar, Web Executive at isa.vesit, welcome you all in the very first video of making complete responsive portfolio website. At the end of this video, you will be able to learn how to build a responsive header for our portfolio website with pure HTML and CSS only. So without a further ado, let's get started. As you saw at the very beginning of this video, we are going to have a navigation bar with a header or hero image with some text on it. So instead of typing whole HTML and CSS code to save our time, I am going to use uncomment and run technique in this video. So you are now watching HTML file of our header section. We have included some important links inside our head tag. So let me just give you a quick overview of these links. This link is being used for embedding Google Fonts, and these two links we have included to use those two Google Fonts. Then we have our font awesome icon link, which we have used for our navigation hamburger, and we have given a title header section for our this HTML file, and we have linked our CSS file named header css.css in this line. So let's dive into the body tag. So let me just uncomment the navigation bar section of our HTML page. In this HTML section, I have created a parent division with a class name navbar and included a nav tag. There are primarily two methods for creating a responsive navigation bar. First is with only HTML and CSS, and the second being with the help of the JavaScript. We are going to build it with pure HTML and CSS only. So as you can see, I have used input tag following with a label in it and then including a hamburger font awesome icon script in it. And then I have unordered list for my navigation elements. Up next, we are going to make hero image with some text on it. So let me just uncomment it. Here also you can observe we have two divisions with division tags and have unnecessary content to display. We are now done with our HTML file. Let's move on to our CSS file. But before going to the CSS file and styling our HTML content, let me just show you how our HTML will look like without styling. So this is our plain HTML. We are now going to style it. We are now ready to style our simple plain HTML file. This block of code we are using to style our main navigation tag. Then in this section, we are styling our unordered list through navigation tag. Up next, you can observe in this section, we are styling our lists in unordered list. And now in this section, in this block of code, we are styling our anchor tag. To give over animation effect on various navigation elements, this section is very much useful for us. Up next, for giving styling to our hamburger, we have used this code of section. Now, let's run our header section with saving it. As said at the beginning of this video, we are going to make our website very responsive. So this block of code is taking care to make our navigation bar responsive on any views of devices. Up next, let's style our hero image and its content. This is now time to style our hero image and content on it. So this block of code is useful for styling our hero image on it. Up next, we have some text or primary text which will be placed on that image, which is named under the class hero-text, which we have styled here. Next, we had a button on our image, and for that, we have done the styling for it. For giving a small animation effect of on hover, we have used particular this line of code. With this section, we have done encoding both HTML and CSS file of our header section. So let's quickly run. So as you can observe, we have done our HTML and CSS scripting and have run it. So let me just show you various viewports and is it responsive or not. So in this laptop view, it is completely responsive. Up next, we have a tablet view where the whole navigation elements are converted into a responsive hamburger. When I click on this hamburger, I have a complete list which comes from left to right. Next, I am going to mobile views and watching whether it is completely responsive or not. So, with this video, we have successfully created a responsive header section. If you have any other method on creating this header section, do let us know in the comment section. The complete source code is made available in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to isa.vesit channel. See you in the next video.